So this is I bought this new makeup. It's called Dermacol. It's supposed to cover up any imperfection, and it's supposed to last 24 hours. So this is just the unboxing of that, and then I will make a video once I have tried the makeup on my face. I do have a lot of red spots on my face for hyperpigmentation and stuff like that, so we'll see how well the makeup works. So this is just the box. It comes in a nice pretty pink box. It's a cute box, little butterflies. I did order 3 things. So the first, so this right here is the foundation that I ordered. It's a makeup cover Filmstudio, and it, like I said, the name is Dermacol. It's waterproof, SPF 30, hypoallergenic. I mean, SPF 30 on a foundation, it's great. Usually you have to wear that separately, but this foundation has the SPF 30 on it, so that's awesome. And it's waterproof, and like I said, it does say that it lasts 24 hours. This is my first time that I'm gonna try it, and then these right here are the ingredients if you want to kind of see through that. Okay, and then it does have an expiration date, and then that also shows right there the ingredients. Okay, and then right here it just gives you a little bit of just information on what it does or what it is. I don't see that it's in English, at least not on this side. Let me see this side. Maybe it's here. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, that's this is the side that has it in English. So I mean, it must be a pretty well-known foundation. Maybe it was just not known to me, and the reason I say that is because it does have different languages on there, which tells me that it is other people from other parts of the world know about this foundation. Like I said, I hadn't heard about it before, so that's why I'm doing a review on it on another video. But yeah, it comes in this nice, so I'm gonna open it and see what the inside of this looks like. Looks like it's a small tube, but it does look like it comes with additional instructions on here, which is always nice. So right here, and that is what it looks like. It's the box and the tube, and then it just gives you more instructions. I guess this is instructions on how to apply, and then the different products that it, yeah. So yeah, it's just instructions on how to apply and what's the best to use with it. Obviously there's some in English, so I'll have to read through those, but yeah, it comes with that, so that's nice. And then this is what the tube looks like right here, and it's a bit small, so it's a nice tube. It's, you guys can't see it, but it's, you see the gold right there. I don't know if you are able to see the gold. It's pretty nice. Okay, so that's that. And then I bought a couple more things with it. I also did buy this brush. I'll have to try this. It looks pretty thin. It's nice. The eyeliner and eyebrow brush. I thought I'd try it out. Synthetic hair. I do have quite a bit of eyebrow brushes, so I really wanted to try this one and see how this one works. Since it's pretty thin, as you can see, you might be able to define more the eyebrow shape. And then the last thing I got is right here. This is just a makeup base that I wanted to try. I had really good reviews on their web page. And it's supposed to leave like a satin base on your face so that the foundation can go over your face easier with this. So it does kind of look like silk in there, so we'll have to do a review on this one too. Alright, so that's all I have, and that is it. And then just wait for the review on the foundation itself that I'll be doing, and see how much of a full coverage it has. It does say that it has a full coverage, so we'll see. Okay, bye.